One of the biggest mistakes you can make as a YouTuber is after making that very good video, you ended up uploading it the wrong way. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, show you the right way and the right settings to actually put in place while uploading your video here on YouTube. Now, we're going to be making use of our YouTube studio just like this. So now when you open your YouTube studio, you're going at your top right. Okay, you have to make sure you're in the right account where you want to upload your video. Okay, so go ahead and click on create. Then you're going to see upload. So click on upload. Now you can do drag and drop in this place, but I would advise you actually click on select file and then pick your video at the location by yourself. Okay, so we pick our video and then we hit upload. So we wait for it to upload. Now here is the first mistake a lot of YouTubers make. They upload their videos without file name. Now look at this now. How do you expect the algorithm to push your video that does not have a name? So this video does not have a file name. No, you can see we are just seeing numbers and alphabets, which does not make any sense at all. So as a YouTuber, the first thing you need to do while uploading your videos is to make sure that you have properly renamed them before even uploading it. So look at my thumbnail, for example. I uploaded I renamed my thumbnails and I renamed my video even before uploading it to what? To YouTube. You can see the two of them. You put the two of them in the right place and then you rename them. So as you can see, this meaning this is just what? A wrong way to upload your video. So you have to go back now and then click on create, then click on upload, then click on select file. Okay, so now you go ahead to the location. You know, we save it in desktop. Okay, so click on the video and then click on upload. Now you will now discover that when you click on upload, without even you putting name, the video already have a name. You can see upload mistake 2, meaning you don't need to bother yourself of putting name. So automatically the algorithm can read your video even from your system before even uploading it. So this helps the video to perform better. Now another mistake you have to avoid is your descriptions. Many of you don't pay attention to your description. Your descriptions is what people are searching for. The keywords in your descriptions will help your video to actually perform better on YouTube. If you don't know how to create or write a proper descriptions, go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT your video name, and it will give you a description. Now, another thing is your thumbnail. So YouTube allow you to actually pick thumbnails from the video, or you must have already designed your thumbnails by yourself. Now, I've already designed my thumbnail by myself, so go ahead and click on upload. Now, look at my thumbnails. I've already renamed my thumbnail as what? Upload mistake. So I will go ahead and hit what? Upload. So now, this and now both your videos and your thumbnails already have keywords that people are looking for. So you make sure you rename it properly, then you go ahead and do what? And click on upload. Now you can see both my video, both my descriptions and my thumbnail, everything is in place. Now another thing we must make sure that we put in place is your playlist. A lot of YouTubers jokes with their playlist. Your playlist is the reason why a lot of people get to watch more of your videos. So now, if you don't know about playlists, let me know in the comment section and I will teach you proper way to create playlists. Now, this video is about YouTube. So I'm going to add it to my YouTube playlist. So after selecting it, then now let's go to other plays. Now, let's make sure that this video you are uploading is not meant for kids. If your video is for children, then choose for children, made for kids. But if it's not made for kids, choose no, it is not meant or it is not made for kids. Then go ahead and click on show more in order to see other things. Then scroll down. Now YouTube is going to be asking you if this video is actually made for what I mean is a paid promotions or you are doing it for somebody. So if it is not, then make sure you don't click on it. But if it is yes, then click on yes. So now another thing is you need to let YouTube know if this your video is made of AI or is AI generated. So my own is no. So this video is not for AI. So I will not choose it. So another thing you need to pay attention to is your tags. A lot of YouTubers upload videos without using tags. These your tags are also keywords that people imagine you just come to YouTube and you type YouTube tips. My video is supposed to be suggested to you. So make sure you do nice taggings for your videos, default tags, or you can always do it manually whenever you are uploading your video, but just make sure that your tags is in place. Another thing is to make sure that you see these two settings. Don't joke with it. It is very important. This allow embedding and then publish to subscription feed and notify subscriber. As long you know that you have over 1,000 subscribers, always make sure that these two buttons is turned on. Now, these are settings you will not see if you're using the normal YouTube studio or the YouTube app. You will not see all those things. So make sure that you use the right category. You choose right category for your video when uploading it. Then when you click on next, it's going to bring you here. Now your end screen and playlist is these two things. They do the same work and they are very important. Now you see this end screen is like an advert that gives you the opportunity to advertise more videos to your viewers. So meaning when they watch your video to the end, YouTube will suggest another video to them. So in order to add this end screen to your video, click on add. Okay, then now we're going to be selecting the right one, so that because I'm choosing this one because I don't want it to cover my face. So then YouTube will give you room to select video, but always allow it in best for viewers. The reason why you are allowing it to best for viewers is because you want YouTube to suggest it to that person according to how he wants or the video is looking for. Then you click on save. Now we now have add card. This card is an avenue whereby in between your videos you can promote or advertise other of your videos to your viewers. But sometimes you can avoid it, okay, in order to not to distract your viewers, okay. Then now let's click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, whereby you can actually wait for YouTube to run through your videos to make sure that there are no copyrighted contents or audio or music in your content, okay. So this place is also very, very important. So click on next. Now, the most important place where you are uploading your video is this place. Look at this place. Many of you, immediately you create your video, you just push it to public. As in like you publish your video to public. It is wrong. You can leave your video in private or you can unlist it. The reason why you are putting it in private or you are unlisting it is because you want the YouTube system to properly enhance your video, as like make sure that it will come out clear, make sure that they will know the right person to push the video to. But if you just go ahead and choose public, you will not be able to achieve this. So always make sure you choose either private or unlisted. When in short, unlist your video or private your video for like 1 hour or 2 hours, okay. Then after you've done that, click on save. So when you click on save, what do? You can see they're now telling you that your private video is still uploading. Keep this browser tab open until upload complete. So the moment you just click on save, your own is to relax and wait for the video to do what? To upload successfully on your channel. So these are the best settings you put in place when uploading your videos on YouTube. This will not just enable the video to perform better, but this will make you look more professional. Yes, this will make you look more professional as a YouTuber. So in case it's the first time you're actually seeing my YouTube videos, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up. Doing this will enable more viewers to see this video or help more viewers get to see the video. Again, I actually create videos on YouTube tips, Facebook tips, video editing tips. So which means if at all you actually have any issues, you can let me know in the comment section. For example, you can tell me to create a video for you or make a video for you, and I'm going to be doing that. Now, this help you become a better YouTuber or a better creator for yourself. I've got you covered. And if you want to reach out to me, go ahead. You can send me a DM and I will reply to you. All right. Thank you.